Namaste, good morning student. Today I'll take Super Yoga class. Super Yoga means you know that standing, bending, sitting, supine postures and pranayama. It's all the asanas, all the asanas together you can practice in Super Yoga Asana. Yes, before yoga start, you can warm up, you'll start neck part. Yes, stretches your neck sidewards, right side and left, right and left and up, down, up, down. Neck rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Slowly you can do. Very careful. Yes. Full arm rotation forward. Change your direction. Yes. Shoulder rotation forward. Change your direction. Hand stretch sideward. Next change trunk rotation clockwise. Trunk rotation. Yes. Change your direction. Anti-clockwise. Next change knee rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Next change ankle rotation right leg clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Next change left leg clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, finger press. Wrist rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yes. Ready children? Yes. Super Yoga. Stand on the mat. First one asanas. Ardha Chakrasana. Half wheel pose. Tadasana Sthiti. And first count Tadasana. Second count spread out your leg according to your shoulder width. Hand should be back. Yes. Your elbow should be stretched back. Inhale, deep inhale. Exhale and bend. Leg should be straight, knee should be straight. As much possible bend. And support up your hands. Back and bend back. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Relax. Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel pose is good asanas. Improve your lungs capacity and back muscles should be improved. Okay. Next one, second one, Pashva Konasana, Tadasana Sthiti. Inhale, right leg stretch back, ankle should be turned, and left leg knee should be bent 90 degree. Balance your body and hand should be stretched. Inhale, exhale and bend forward. Left hand should be touch the mat nearby the left leg. Right hand should be stretched forward and right leg should be stretched. Knee straight. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Come back to position. Part 1. Yes. Next same as it is. Left leg back and left leg ankle should be turned. Hand should right leg knee should be bent 90 degree. Hand straight. Inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Right hand should be touch the mat nearby the right leg. Left hand should be stretched forward. Yes. Exhale and stretch forward. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Come back to position and relax. Pashokona asana is extended sidewards asana. Is good asanas. Stretches your leg, knee and ankle and abdominal muscles. Okay. Next, third one, Bakasana. Tadasana sthiti, crow position. Very careful, children. Spread out your leg according to your shoulder width. Yes. Sit on mat. Stretch your hands forward and your shoulder should be lock the knee and careful, children. Yes. And lock the knee and lift your body and leg. Yes. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Stand up. Bakasana is very good asana postures, crow pose, and carefully. First, beginners, you can practice for the bed. Okay. Balance your body. After the balancing, you can practice anywhere. Okay. Bakasana is very good, and your wrist and shoulder and body balance is improve your body balance, and wrist should be stretched and your shoulders, hamstring muscles, shoulders muscles should be stretching. Okay, this is good postures and careful. Okay, fourth one. Yes, Ardha Merudandasana. Ardha Merudandasana. Yes, slowly lie down. Stretch your legs forward. Both the legs should be joined. Sit on Dandasana. Ardha Merudandasana. Yes. Slowly lie down. Inhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. Hand should be nearby the body. Yes. Deep inhale and exhale. Yes. First raise your right leg 30 degree. Deep inhale and exhale. Yes. Only 30 degree you raise right leg straight. Yes. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Yes. Join your left leg. Yes. Same as it is. Left leg. Inhale and exhale. Yes. Raise your slowly. Left leg 30 degree. Hold on. 10 counts. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Yes. Relax. Yes. Ardha Merudandasana is good postures for the back muscles and thigh muscles, and thigh muscles should be stretches your body. Is good exercise, good asanas. After the Ardha Merudandasana, slowly. Yes. Bhujangasana. Fifth one is Bhujangasana. Both the legs should be joined and hands should be nearby the chest. And deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, cobra posture, and only upper body should be raised. Upper body as much possible raised. Legs should be joined straight and Bhujangasana. Yes. Same posture. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Yes. Relax. Come back to Vajrasana. Yes. Bhujangasana, Cobra posture. This is good. Stretches for the chest and lungs. Shoulders muscles should be stretches and abdominal muscles also stretch. Is good. Asana. Yes, effective asanas. And after the yes, stretch your legs forward slowly. Pranayama. Yes. Today, Ardha Padmasana. Yes, sit like this. Yes, Ardha Padmasana. Sit straight. Your hands should be straight. Yes, Mudra, Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Deep inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Yes. Today, pranayama, Brahmari pranayama. Brahmari pranayama. Yes. Your thumb finger should be closer here, and rest of the fingers should be close your eyes. And deep inhale and exhale for the Makara. Okay, exhale for the Makara. 5 to 10 times you can practice. Okay, Brahmari pranayama. Yes. Close your ear and eyes. Deep inhale. Exhale. Once again, deep inhale. Slowly relax your hands. Yes. See here, this pranayama. Yes, Brahmari pranayama is a good asanas. This one, breathing capacity should be improve your breathing capacity and lungs capacity and calmness of your mind and relax your stress and anxieties, and concentration should be improve your concentration and your concentration power. This all the asanas should be practiced, and carefully you can practice for the Om Super Yogasana. Yes. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Nice day.